Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to send money internationally using PayPal in 2025. So whether you are paying your freelancers, family or shopping from another country, PayPal makes global transfers quick and secure. So let's go through exactly how you can do it easily. First of all, you need to open your PayPal application, or you can also come here on your web browser and then you can search for paypal.com. Over here, whichever device you are using, you just have to first of all log in into your PayPal account if you haven't already. Now, the second thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to make sure that your PayPal account is verified and connected to a bank account or a debit or credit card that is required for the international payments. Now, once you have it done, simply click on the option of send here on the home page. After that, you will be landed here on this page where it is going to ask you to select the username, the name, email address, or the phone number of that particular person to whom you want to send the money to. So here you need to make sure that they also have a PayPal account registered in their country. Otherwise, they will be asked to create one. Now, after selecting their name, you are going to see this type of section. Over here, you just have to first of all select the currency in which you want to send the money. Here, you just have to enter the amount and it is going to show you the equivalent amount your person is going to get. For example, if you add $100 over here, if you have selected the currency as euro, it is going to show you the converted amount. So here you can add the notes if you want, then click on the option of next here in the bottom. After selecting your payment method, which can be a debit or credit card or your bank, you just have to confirm your payment and it is going to take just 2 to 3 minutes and your payment will be debited from your credit card or your debit card and it will send it to the person that you have selected. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.